How to change language on the Ring app. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily do that. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, all you have to do is open up the Ring application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll land on this homepage. So if you've added any locations, it will show up here. And if you have set up any devices, it will show up on your home screen as well. Now, in order to change language, what you'd usually do is tap on the three lines at the top left, then simply head over to account settings. As you can see under account settings, there is no option to change language. You can change your first and last name, set up a phone number, or change email. Those are basically the things that you can do from your account settings. But if you want to change the language on the Ring app, you're going to have to do it all the way from your phone settings. So head over to your phone settings app, then scroll down all the way until you find General Management. Here you'll find your input method like languages, tap on it. And you can add different kind of languages here. So if you don't see a language that you want to change to on this list, tap on add language. Then you can select any language that you want from here. So let's say if I want to go ahead and download Filipino, I'm just going to tap on it and then set as default for now. All of my phone's language will now be changed to Filipino. So as you can see here, everything has been changed. If I go back and we open up the Ring app again, the app will give it a refresh as well, and all of its language will now be changed. So if I go to my settings and tap on account settings, as you can see here, all of my settings languages has also been changed. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.